Welcome to the course Azure Well-Architected Framework, where you will gain a quick guide on the pillars and principles of the well-architected framework of Azure. Hi, I am Praveen, your instructor for this course. With over 10 years of experience in automation control systems at Honeywell and over 7 years of experience in other access control products. I am a certified Scrum Master and I have published dozens of courses on various cloud computing topics. This course will simplify the core principles and related Azure services. You can apply these principles to design and optimize your Azure solutions. By the end of this course, you will have a good overview of Azure Well-Architected Framework. We will focus on understanding the pillars and principles of the Azure Well-Architected Framework, including cost optimization, operation excellence, performance efficiency, reliability, and security. We'll also explore the Azure services you can use to implement these principles in your solutions. To take this course, you should have a basic knowledge of cloud computing and Azure fundamentals as a prerequisites. This course will give you a big picture of the Azure Well-Architected Framework from scratch. I have designed this course for cloud engineers and cloud architects involved in product development using Azure in any programming language. It is also suitable for managers interested in technical or people management with a team of developers. Check out the previous videos and hit the enroll button. I am excited to explain you the core concepts of the Azure Well-Architected Framework. Sign up now.